My channel has videos that are not made for children. This channel is also not made for children. It's made for adult toy collectors and toy buyers, such as parents or single people. If you're under the age of 13, please watch it just adults, or please leave the channel, or even watch it on a teenager. Thank you very much and enjoy the channel. Hey everyone, how are you doing on this wonderful Monday? This is George, and today's unboxing. I'm going to unbox this very beautiful OG Happy Birthday Barbie from 1991. The box is dated 1990. She's released 1991. Let's take a look at her beautiful box, shall we? Right here, this box looks like a canvas box with the clear plastic all around the box. It's birthday decorations all around the front and the sides. Here's a picture of the back of the box. It shows Happy Birthday Barbie and the Happy Birthday Barbie logo on top. And the saying here reads, "Give her a special birthday party she'll always remember." It has Queen Bee herself, along with some party decorations and paper goods. It actually features the light version of Happy Birthday Barbie, which is also available. I also noticed that the light version of Happy Birthday Barbie has tints in her hair, where the dark version doesn't. You can actually okay with it, because I don't like tints in doll hair. It kind of messes doll hair up real bad. And the bottom box also reads, "Look for these terrific Barbie birthday party goods from Period Arts Incorporated in the store's party section." And I also noticed that this doll also comes with a collector doll stand. And here's the bottom of the box. This reads, "Happy Birthday Barbie." And it reads, "The perfect birthday gift for a special girl." And she's her ages 3 and up. And here's how she originally costed at Walmart for $25 back in 1991 or 92. And now let's take this beautiful Barbie out of the box and show it to you guys. Oh, by the way, I have to tell you that I recently got her for my birthday, and I'm trying, if I can, to cut a birthday Barbie for every single year on 40s. Now let's go ahead and take out the box, shall we? And here she is in her glamorous look. Here's Miss Happy Birthday Barbie from 1991. She's definitely one of the most glamorous birthday dolls ever made. Let's take a look at her, shall we? Here she is up close. She has a beautiful ribbon bow in her head, and she has on a pair of silver-studded earrings. Her face is kind of a little greasy, but she's still pretty though. And she has lots of hair that needs to be combed, because I just took out the box. Looks a mess, but really pretty in the end. I have to come and wash it. And she also has on a diamond earring as well. Definitely beautiful. Now let's look at her gown, shall we? First thing you see is the gown reads "Happy Birthday" on it. Looks like a beauty queen with that sash on her. And she has puffy sleeves. Big puffy sleeves, very popular back in the day. Has glitter all over it with pink hearts and ribbons. And here's her skirt. This is extremely big and flowy. The material matches the sleeves. It goes all the way around the back as well. It's the tail. Oh, here's the sash. Here's back of the sash. I have to show it to you guys. And I think it's movable. If you want to remove it, it is removable. Here's the sash again. I think it's movable if you want to remove it. I'll just keep it on her, because I was just cutting them and spraying them. Look at the beauty that this dress has. pink hearts, blue and purple ribbon, glitter. It's made of shear's veil. Definitely a pretty touch. Here's the bottom of her dress. This is actually a pink skirt. Definitely nice. This is the outskirt pretty veil. And I think there's also on the skirt of this dress. I see if it is, it's quite small. Sorry guys, but I want to see if there's anything underneath her, and it's like a small skirt. And sorry for almost showing some goodies, but I'm not supposed to do that. I'm trying to keep the channel family friendly. And let's see what this lady comes with. Here she has her birthday stand. Wait, cactus stand which reads "Happy Birthday Barbie" on it. And she also has a comb used for her hair. Really nice comb. Kind of matches the brush from back in the day as well. And she has a pair of shimmy pink shoes. It's a great touch for her. I'll put back up the stand, I'll be back. And here she is back on the stand. And one thing she does come with are the Barbie cartoon poster from 1991. As well as the Barbie magazine offer. I think you can hear this the information about Barbie magazine. As well as this poster. Here it is. I'll show it to you guys. These Barbie Fashion Fun scrapbook. It has pictures of all the dolls of these from 1991. This includes the High Fun collection. Okay, it goes the High Fun collection. It goes the Cotton Ball collection. The All American collection. I actually have All American Barbie. The Marriage collection. I actually have Kenny, who's because it's Stacy, and Todd in this collection. On the back, here's that's the Lace collection. I like to get these dolls someday. Here's the Baton Fun Barbie. This is my first collection. It's the Skipper Land for this year. It's because babysitting theme. On the bottom, here's some Fashion Paint Barbie, as well as some Barbie Fashion Seats promoting. And last but not least, the Pink Sparkles Furniture Collection. It's my paint looks not like the Sweet Roses collection from like the 80s. I already have a poster like this before, so I'm probably going to use this for crafting purposes. And that's it, my unboxing of this beautiful Happy Birthday Barbie from 1991. Thank you guys for watching me. I want the video for Friday because it's Thanksgiving holiday, so I'll be back next Monday with a new unboxing to show you guys. You will see some more videos. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll be appreciated. If you have any to see my videos, please comment down below. I'd like to see them. And thank you guys very much, and see you for another toy boxing. Bye for now, and have a great, wonderful Thanksgiving.